Currywurst having my own little Oktoberfest right now. Look at how big this stein is. This is their signature currywurst. It comes in 5 different heat profiles, and this came from Berlin, Germany, when the British soldiers brought ketchup over. Cool, right? Gotta finish this, but shout out to Lena and Hardeep who own this place. It's a true mom and pop shop. Check it out. Berlin Currywurst, Hollywood on Cahuenga. Bye guys.